vSolution Composer is our solution for bigger installations with dual screens, such as in a lecture hall in here. The idea behind vSolution Composer was to make it as easy as possible for the professor, for the user to control the presentation, but also the streaming and the recording and the web conferencing. So we combined all the features and functions into one screen. When we have a look at the control screen layout, in the bottom part, the prepare field, there all the contents can be prepared and structured for the presentation. In the top section, the two confidence monitors give the possibility to drag and drop the contents up to show it to the audience, but also to get a feedback and the confidence monitor to see what is projected behind us. When we want to bring in content into the presentation, just two buttons are needed for that. The plus button gives the possibility to bring in content from devices which are connected, for example, a visualizer from WoVision over HDMI connected to the SINEP Pro, but also to use all the apps directly on the SINEP Pro. For example, a digital whiteboard or a built-in web browser. With the second icon here, we have the possibility to bring in files. The files can be brought in with a USB stick, for example, but also a network drive which is connected, or even the cloud drive is supported. So let's bring in, for example, a video and also a document. So once all the documents down here, we want to prepare them. Let's say the PDF, we want to swipe to page 3. Just a tap on the icon will open up the edit mode and give me the adjusted control bar just for this content. When we want to play a video, we can, for example, pause the video and go to a certain section before we go live to the big screens. So once everything is prepared, let's bring in the video, and it's just a drag and drop gesture to the screen, and now the video is resumed and played for the students. If we want to show on the other screen, for example, the picture of the visualizer, then also this can be shown here. It's even possible to show content side by side on one screen. For that, just drag and drop it to the side, and it will be then side by side also on the screens. If the user wants to walk around in the room and talk to the students directly, it's even possible to use a tablet to have exactly the same user interface to control the whole presentation. So it is now possible, for example, to bring in a whiteboard and directly annotate on the whiteboard here on my tablet and do some drawings directly here on the screen. But also to go side by side again, this is also possible, and control the whole presentation also from my tablet. It's also possible to use recording and streaming with vSolution Composer. To start the recording, it's just a hit on the button at the right top corner, and now 3 recordings will be stored to the network drive, to the local drive, but also it is possible to directly upload it to Panopto. At the same time, we can also stream into the internet using a webcast stream, but also a network stream into the network of the university to show it on a different building, in a different room, or even to the tablets, for example, to the students. It's also possible to combine it with a web conference. So what you can see here on the left screen is a Teams call running. So we connected 2 students into our session. And if we want to screen share something to the students, they should have the same experience as all the audience in here in the room. To do so, it's just using the screen share function of Teams, and now the second screen will be shared to the students at home, but also is visible for all the attendees in the classroom. So for example, we want to show the PDF. Just a drag and drop to the right screen will show it into the classroom, but also the students on the far side gonna see it. It's just a drag and drop to the second output, and now the content from the visualizer is shared to the far side and also to the screen. So the experience for all the attendees, no matter if they're at home using their computer in a web conference or in the lecture hall, is exactly the same. And the control is that easy, just drag and drop. So thank you for watching and see you next time at WoolVision Insights.